Consuming red meat, particularly processed types, has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Here are 15 ways red meat can affect cancer risk. 1. Colon and rectal cancer. Studies show that regular consumption of red meat, especially processed meats, is associated with a higher risk of colorectal cancer. 2. Carcinogenic compounds. During the cooking process, especially at high temperatures, grilling, frying, or barbecuing red meat can form carcinogenic compounds, such as heterocyclic amines HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons PAHs. 3. Nitrate and Nitrite. Processed red meats like bacon and sausages contain nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into cancer-causing compounds, such as nitrosamines. 4. Increased inflammation. Red meat can promote inflammation in the body, which is linked to the development and progression of cancer. 5. Iron content. Red meat is high in heme iron, which can promote oxidative stress and DNA damage, potentially increasing cancer risk. 6. Fatty acids. Some studies suggest that the saturated fats in red meat may contribute to the development of cancer by influencing hormone levels and cell growth. 7. Obesity risk. Red meat consumption, particularly in excess, can contribute to obesity, which is a known risk factor for many cancers. 8. Gut microbiome alteration. Red meat can negatively affect the gut microbiome, leading to an imbalance that may increase cancer risk, particularly colorectal cancer. 9. Carcinogenic hormones. Hormones used in livestock farming may remain in the meat, contributing to hormone-driven cancers, such as breast and prostate cancers. 10. Prostate cancer. Some studies have linked high red meat consumption, especially processed meats, with an increased risk of prostate cancer. 11. Pancreatic cancer. The high fat content and potential carcinogens found in red meat may also increase the risk of pancreatic cancer. 12. Lung cancer. Processed meats, specifically, have been associated with an increased risk of lung cancer, possibly due to the presence of carcinogenic additives. 13. Mouth and throat cancer. Consumption of red meat, especially when smoked or processed, may increase the risk of cancers in the mouth, throat, and esophagus. 14. DNA damage. Chemicals produced from grilling or processing red meat may induce DNA mutations, which are a key step in cancer formation. 15. Reduced antioxidants. Red meat lacks antioxidants that may help protect against cancer. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and fiber is known to reduce cancer risk, which may not be balanced by a diet heavy in red meat. Limiting red meat intake, particularly processed varieties, and opting for healthier cooking methods can help mitigate these risks.